It's a review of the eye anatomy for our lab section. So we have 3 layers to the eye. So the outer portion here is the sclera. And then as we peel back the layers, the second layer, the pink layer here is the choroid. And then the inner portion here, the orange layer, will be your retina. On the back side of the eye here, we have the nerve that exits out. When we open up the eye and look at it from the front as far as the layers, so the first layer here is the cornea. So then behind the cornea, we're going to have the pigmented portion, which is the iris. The hole in the center is the pupil. And behind that, we're going to have the lens. So the lens is this biconcave disc here. When we look at the layers from this angle, so we still have the white layer, the sclera, we have the red layer, the choroid, and then the orange layer is the retina. So the retina comes along the entire inside. This is where the photoreceptors are. On the back, where the nerve attaches on here, this is the optic disc or the blind spot. And then off-center here, we're going to have the fovea centralis, which is the focal point for your line of vision. Now going through these layers from the front one more time. Okay. So first one, we're going to have the cornea, which is continuous with the sclera layer. We're going to have the iris and the disc or the lens. And so in our model here, this purple layer is going to be our suspensory ligaments that hold and change the tension on those structures. And then we're going to have the muscle portion here, the ciliary body. And the space between our lens and the cornea, so where the probe is here, this is the anterior chamber where the aqueous humor is. And then in the back of the eye, we'll have the posterior chamber, and then what's on the inside of that will be the vitreous humor.